I hit this issue to date and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you are looking to cancel your Disney Plus subscription, follow these straightforward steps. Step 1. Open the Disney Plus app. Launch the Disney Plus app on your device. Make sure you are logged into the account you wish to cancel. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner to access your account settings. Step 3. Select Subscription Details. In Account Settings, look for the option that says Subscription or Billing Details. Tap on it to view your subscription information. Step 4. Cancel Subscription. Find the Cancel Subscription option and tap on it. You may be prompted to confirm your cancellation. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Note, sometimes the Cancel Subscription button may be hidden under a Manage Subscription menu, so keep an eye out for that. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. After cancelling, you should receive a confirmation message. Check your email for a cancellation confirmation from Disney Plus. That's it. You've successfully cancelled your Disney Plus subscription. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to reach out for help.